Friends, in today's video, we will be discussing the Motilal Oswal Large Cap Fund. As you might be aware, Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund House has performed exceptionally well over the past few years. If we specifically look at the last 5 years, this fund house has generated remarkable returns across all its schemes. After the COVID-19 crash, recovery in the market has resulted in all schemes of Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund House delivering outstanding performance, irrespective of the category they belong to. And the Motilal Oswal Large Cap Fund is no exception. This fund is relatively new as it was launched just a little over a year ago. In fact, it has only been in existence for about 1 year and 2 months. But despite this short tenure, it has already delivered an outstanding performance in the market. It has outperformed its benchmark, surpassed the category averages, and even left behind its peer funds in the large cap category in the terms of returns. In just a short period of 1 year, this fund has climbed to the number 1 position in its category. Now let us discuss the performance and the returns of its fund. The fund has given stellar returns in the past 1 year. Since its inception, it has generated an impressive 28% returns. For a large cap fund, achieving a 28% return in just 1 year is nothing short of outstanding. This kind of performance is rare in the large cap space, where returns are generally moderate compared to mid cap or small cap funds. Another important factor to note here is that in the past 6 months, the market has witnessed a downturn. Despite this, the fund's performance has remained solid. If we analyze its performance only during the downturn, when most funds saw a decline, we can see how well it handled market volatility. For instance, in the past 6 months, the average decline in the large cap category has been around 11%. However, the Motilal Oswal Large Cap Fund has declined only by 4% during this period. This means that despite the challenging market conditions, this fund has absorbed the correction well and protected its investors from large losses. Now let us talk about why this is such a significant achievement. Even after enduring a 6 months downturn, this large cap fund has still managed to deliver a massive 28% return in 1 year period. This proves that the fund has been able to balance growth and risk effectively, making it a highly rewarding investment option. Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund House is known for following a highly aggressive growth investment style. They typically maintain concentrated portfolios and invest in high PE stocks to maximize returns. While this approach is considered risky in the mutual fund industry, it has proved successful for many of their funds. However, if we analyze the Motilal Oswal Large Cap Fund's strategy, we will see that it is not as aggressive as some of the other schemes from the same fund house. In fact, in some aspects, it is even more defensive and safe than other large cap funds in its category. For instance, if we look at the portfolio turnover ratio, a portfolio turnover ratio of just 61%, whereas the category average is 221%. This indicates that the fund does not frequently churn its portfolio, which is a sign that it is not following an aggressive investment approach. Similarly, if we analyze the concentration of stocks in its portfolio, we can see that it is not significantly different from the category average. The industry average for large cap funds is to hold around 50 stocks, whereas this fund has 42 stocks in its portfolio. While 42 stocks are fewer than 50, the difference is not substantial and it still ensures good diversification. Another crucial aspect of this fund is its risk parameters. Unlike other funds from the Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund House, this fund does not take excessive risk. Instead, it follows a well-balanced and moderate investment strategy that aims to deliver high returns while controlling risk. Further, this fund has 100% of its AUM deployed and fully invested in equities. Moreover, the P ratio of the portfolio is just 22, which is quite moderate. To put this into perspective, some funds that follow a value investment strategy have a P ratio of around 17 to 18, which means that 22 is still within a comfortable range. Now, if we compare this with Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, we can see a stark difference. The ratio of the Mid Cap Fund was previously 61%, but has now reduced to 51% after the recent market correction. However, the large cap fund has a P ratio of just 22, whereas the mid cap fund invests in stocks with a P ratio of 51. This comparison highlights that the Motilal Oswal large cap fund does not follow the same aggressive investment approach as some of its other schemes. Instead, it follows a more balanced and moderate investment strategy, and yet it has still managed to deliver exceptional returns to its investors. While a one-year performance is generally too short to judge a fund, but in this case, it provides valuable insights. This is because the fund's one-year journey has included both upward and downward market phases. In the past 6 months, when the market was correcting, the fund still managed to protect its investor from significant losses. While the category delivered a negative return of around 11%, this fund dropped only by 4%, proving that it provides solid downside protection, and despite enduring 6 months of correction, the fund has still generated an outstanding 28% return, which depicts that it is capable of delivering strong returns even in a volatile market. This makes it an all-weather fund that can perform well in both bull and bear markets. The fund has overweight exposure to the financial sector and the technology sector, both of which have performed exceptionally well in the past. This strategic allocation has played a crucial role in delivering the fund's stellar performance. Due to its well-balanced investment strategy, strong risk management, and excellent stock selection, this fund has been able to generate high returns while minimizing the volatility. In conclusion, whether we look at the risk parameters, return potential, or portfolio diversification, this fund passed all the tests gloriously. For investors who don't want to take excessive risk and are not comfortable investing in mid-cap or small-cap funds, this fund can be an excellent investment option. While large-cap funds generally offer lower risk and lower volatility, they also tend to provide moderate returns. However, this fund has proven that even within the large-cap category, it can generate higher returns while maintaining lower volatility. And therefore, if you are looking for a low-risk investment with the potential for high returns, Motilal Oswal Large Cap Fund is worth considering. This video is for educational purpose only and is not an investment advice or recommendation. Always conduct your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.